Hello everyone, my name is Tony Correa and today I'm going to be talking about HostPapa. So what is HostPapa? HostPapa is a web hosting provider in which you can host your websites. So they offer, for example, web hosting for WordPress, managed WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, reseller hosting, and many other features. Also, if you want, for example, a website builder, you can get it here. If you want to create your online store, you can have it here as well. And they set it up for you, as they say, right? So get started online. Smart web solutions for your small business. Get your website, email, and business online today. So today they are on Black Friday and Cyber Monday special. Don't forget that I'm gonna be dropping my link down below for you guys to get your big discount when it comes to Black Friday and Cyber Monday special. So let's check more features here. They offer domains, websites, hosting, and email. So to start, domains, for example, launch your online identity with a custom domain name. Find the right domain name for your business in 60 seconds. Websites, easily create your own website with our website builder. They offer also hosting. Our web hosting provides you with a free domain name, easy to use tools, as well as fast and reliable storage and apps, right? And finally, you can also have your email. Yes, why not start here? Find the perfect domain for your business. So if we want to start typing our domain, don't forget that I'm gonna be dropping my links down below for you guys to have special discounts. After this, we're gonna be clicking on enter a domain, for example, Tony Correa webhost.com. Yes, not only .com, you are going also to get an xyz.com, sorry, at xyz termination, I mean the TLD, .online, .cloud, .club, .business. Yes, and let's look it up. I mean TonyCorreaWebhost.com. Let's see if it's available. Yeah, it's available now. So domain registration is gonna be costing me $14.99. Yes, plus the domain essentials, that's the domain privacy, is gonna be costing me $9.99, and protection power website security $29. But if I don't want this, I just click here. Yes, and as you can see, the total price is just $14.99 per year. Yes, so you're gonna be paying this plan yearly. So after I register the domain to get started, I just fill in my name here, just Joseph, for example, Correa. Country, I'm gonna be selecting, for example, United States, for example. Company, my company is ESPN Host, for example. Address 1, email address, my telephone, my email address, and after I complete this, I'm gonna be typing here. Well, just to explain this, I'm gonna be also paying with a payment method. They offer you, I mean, you can pay with Visa and also with PayPal, right? It's easy for you guys to get your web hosting with the guys from HostPapa. Yes, I hope that this review has been helpful for you. Don't forget that I'm gonna be dropping my links down below for you guys to get your big discount when it comes to registering a domain name and also hosting. Thank you for watching my video.